If you're one of those people who is having a hard time expressing themselves, you have brilliant ideas pero hindi mo siya piece together for it to make sense sa ibang tao, pero naniniwala ka sa idea na to, whether it's a business idea, whether it's a content idea, then perhaps you need a little more training when it comes to technical writing. Hi, my name is Mary and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos so pwede yung sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Natanong dito ni Anja kung kailan daw yung next na technical writing class. Next class is on October 28 and 29, 8 a.m. till 12 noon yung klase. Ano nga bang difference ng technical writing at saka copywriting? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Copywriters, they write para magbenta. So anything that can be used for marketing purposes, copywriters ang gumagawa niyan. However, you won't be able to sell something unless you truly understand the product. So you have to be able to cut into chunks, smaller pieces, step-by-step process, yung benefits ng produkto. And the very first step to do that is, I would say, mag-mind map ka muna. Technical writers are there to write, to explain. Ayan. Yung difference niya eh. Let me put it this way. Halimbawa, ikaw ay iisip kung ano yung service na pwede mong i-offer as a freelancer. Di ba sabi ko may 5? Administrative, creative, tech, support, and sales. Let's focus on the first 2. Kung administrative ang iyong kayang i-offer na service, papunta ka sa operation side of business. Yun yung tutulungan mo sa mga clients mo. Kapag kayo nang napili mo, go for technical writing. Kung ikaw naman ay alam mo sa sarili mo that you are creative, whether it's creative in words, creative with numbers, creative with graphics, papunta ka sa creative side. Doon papasok ang copywriting. I would highly recommend if wala ka pang experience, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na gusto mo sanang pumasok ay sa ops or operations management, technical writing is your very first step. Kung gusto mo maging general virtual assistant, kung gusto mo maging virtual assistant, executive assistant, any types of assistant na nag-a-assist sa operation side of business, technical writing is for you. Basically, ang technical writing have different aspects when it comes to like yung purpose, yung audience, yung style, iba-iba ng examples ang makukuha mo between copywriting and technical writing. And kung hindi ka pa sanay ng technical writing, I highly doubt na papasok ka sa banga when it comes to copywriting. If you guys want to join our technical writing class, 999 pesos lang siya at meron na siyang kasamang 2 weeks na internship. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. Kapag hindi nagwo-work yan, i-copy and i-paste nyo sa browser. Pwede din naman kayong pumunta sa Instagram ko, ganun din lang, i-click nyo to. Or i-check nyo yung 2 Facebook page ko. That's this one and this one at nasa caption naman yan. Kung sa YouTube nyo naman napanood to, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. And yes, I'm also on Threads. But if you want to know where the kalat happens, it's right on Twitter. You will then be taken to this page. So pag tinaas nyo lang ng onti yung nandyan sa page ko, makikita nyo na dito, technical writing. There you go. Pag click nyo yan, nandyan na yung form. Nandyan na lahat ng information na kailangan nyong malaman at kung paano mag-enroll. If you fill out nyo lang yung form, isasend nyo yung payment and you will receive a calendar invite. Pinakang bagay na bagay to, halimbawa galing ka sa corporate tapos ikaw ay papunta na or nanggaling na sa managerial experience or sa call center naman or BPOs, kayo ay dati ng SME team lead, ito yung perfect na parang direction na pwede nyong puntahan. Because once you know how to do technical writing, you should be able to write SOPs, you should be able to build parang library ng procedures or tasks or trainings na kailangan ng isang company or isang business. Or at the very least, you'd be able to help your clients providing clear, concise, and accurate information about a specific topic. Technical writing aims to explain complex process or procedures or concepts that would usually be very hard para ipaintindi dun sa mga medyo wala pang experience. The goal is your writing should be able to teach someone who's not yet familiar with the process of the company. So, nandun yung clarity and precision. You should be able to write technical guides. So, alam mo yung pag-create ng documents, ng yung mag-explain ka ng mga softwares at saka yung mga hardware functionalities overall. And we hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!